Welcome to the PharmaSource podcast.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition, pre-CDMO Live, of the PharmaSource podcast. And today I am delighted to be joined by a new guest, by Diana Serban, who is the Commercial and Business Development Head at Vitema Pharmaceuticals. Diana, a very, very warm welcome to the PharmaSource podcast.
Good afternoon, and thank you for the invitation. My name is Diana Serban. I am the Commercial and Business Development Head of Vitema Pharmaceutical, being responsible for fostering client partnership and driving operational excellence of our company. My background combines science and business administration. I studied pharmacy and completed my studies with a master's degree in business administration. In terms of work experience, I have had the chance to combine different patient-centric roles, from product development to marketing and sales in representative companies in the pharmaceutical industry, from a major retailer in Central Europe to a top global pharmaceutical company, and now in my current role at one of the largest CDMOs in Europe. So moving on to Vitema Pharmaceuticals, I would like to briefly present you our company. Vitema is one of the largest and most modern GMP-certified pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities in Europe. It is located in Sibiu, Romania. It has over 2 decades of experience in the pharmaceutical industry and more than 100 million euros investments in technology and research. So Vitema is not just a CDMO, it is a robust ecosystem that supports the entire pharmaceutical development lifecycle, from research and development of both medicines and food supplements to full-scale production, including specialized capabilities for oncology products and clinical trials. We specialize in assisting pharmaceutical, biotech, and healthcare companies in delivering high-quality medicines and food supplements to their customers by offering integrated services, full transparency throughout the entire manufacturing process, and highly competitive pricing.
Diana, thank you for a very, very detailed introduction to the business. That's great. How's 2024 been for you so far? There's been a huge amount of disruption and change in contract manufacturing and in the wider industry this year. Some high-profile acquisitions, some regulatory changes. What challenges have you seen? What opportunities have you seen out there? And how are things going?
Indeed, 2024 has been a year marked by significant changes so far in the contract manufacturing sector. But for Vitema, this period has not just been about navigating challenges, but also about capitalizing on opportunities. Specifically this year, we expanded our facilities capacity by introducing a new production line for powders, responding to the growing demand for these formulations. In terms of our product portfolio, we just started the technological transfer of 20 new molecules. This initiative is crucial as it is not only a way to expand our offering, but also we ensure that we continue to meet the healthcare needs of diverse population, especially in critical care segments. Additionally, our strategic foresight in the early part of the year allowed us to navigate the increasing volatility in raw material costs effectively. We secured large-scale acquisition of key ingredients at stable prices before significant market price increases took effect. So this proactive approach has not only stabilized our supply chain, but also allowed us to maintain competitive pricing for our clients. Moreover, also in the first months of this year, we have strengthened our partnership across Europe and Middle East in both consumer healthcare and prescription medicine sectors. So overall, 2024 has been a year of growth for Vitema.
And it sounds like an incredibly busy year as well so far.
Yeah.
Diana, you touched on it a little bit, but can you tell us a little bit more about some of the main products and services that you're investing in as a business?
Yes, our investments are strategically focused on advancing our technology for complex drug delivery system. Our facility is specifically designed to support the most complex and challenging oral solid dosages manufacturing, utilizing the latest technology for granulation, compression, and coating. This enables us to produce a diverse range of oral solids, including immediate and modified release tablets, enteric-coated, orally disintegrated tablets, and various capsules such as immediate release, modified release, pellet filled, and powder filled. In addition to our oral dosages capabilities for conventional medicines and food supplements, our facility includes segregated and dedicated unit for handling of cytotoxic and oncology products, both solid and injectables. This includes the production of pre-filled syringes of both and lyophilized powders.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. And in terms of capacity, what does that look like? What capacity does the business have currently, and any plans to increase?
So currently, Vitema operates at a significant capacity of 3.5 billion capsules and tablets, 4,500 tons of powders, and 10 million injectables annually. Given that oral solids are a predominant form of drug delivery in the pharmaceutical industry, appreciated for their cost effectiveness and also for the ease of patient compliance, we are planning to further expand our production capabilities in this area. To address the increasing demands and to stay ahead of these trends, we are actively working on increasing the number of production lines dedicated to OCDs.
Turning the focus slightly towards customers, what are the ideal customers for you as a business to work with? Is that driven by a particular phase of development or location or a type of manufacturing or specialism? What does the customer focus look like?
Yeah, this is a great question because we can support any kind of client, and I will go into further details. So our customers could be pharmaceutical, healthcare, or biotech companies at any development or manufacturing phase, requiring high quality production capabilities. We are equipped to support clients right from the initial phases of their projects, bringing their vision to shelf. Our expertise enables us to assist companies in the early stages of product development by offering comprehensive services from formulation, clinical trials, regulatory support to final production. When it comes to companies that have well-established products, we offer seamless production transfer services. Our approach ensures that the quality and safety of existing products are maintained or even increased. So whether a client is looking to bring a new vision to market or they aim to optimize and expand the production of current products, we are equipped to deliver superior results at every phase.
Thank you very much for that. The industry is very focused on reducing Scope 3 emissions. What's the approach within your business? How are you supporting this drive to sustainability? And what are your plans going forward for reducing customers' carbon footprint?
Yes, we are actively engaged in reducing Scope 3 emission across our production processes. We have recently completed a green energy project financed by EEA and Norwegian funds, which include installing photovoltaic panels. By this initiative, we are able now to produce green energy, substantially reducing our carbon footprint. In addition to this initiative, we are continuously optimizing our production lines to minimize resource consumption. This involves enhancing the efficiency of our manufacturing processes to reduce waste and energy usage. Furthermore, we are committing to promoting eco-friendly packaging solutions to our clients. Our approach includes using sustainable materials and innovative designs that not only meet regulatory standards, but also reduce environmental impact.
Great to hear how much work is going on in that super important area. Last couple of questions, and again, thinking a bit more externally focused now. Ahead of CDMO Live on the 13th of June, looking forward to the remainder of this year and also into 2025. What's one market trend that you would highlight for the PharmaSource listeners and for the attendees of CDMO Live?
Yes, one important market trend that I would like to highlight is the substantial shift in the consumer behavior towards natural preventative healthcare. a movement that began during the COVID pandemic is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Research indicate that consumer interest in plant-based medicines and food supplements is driven by factors like sustainability, ethical consideration, but also broader focus on health and wellness. This trend is particularly evident in Europe, where there is a strong drive among consumers to explore new forms of disease prevention and treatment. This interest is contributing to increased awareness and demand for self-care and wellness products. As a result, the over-the-counter and food supplement markets in Europe are experiencing a double-digit growth. So in order to stay competitive in this rapidly evolving market, it is crucial for consumer healthcare companies to focus on innovative product formulations that meet these new consumer demands. At Vitema, our skilled R&D team is dedicated to supporting our clients in developing distinctive and effective products. Moreover, with our in-house clinical trials unit, we are able to conduct clinical trials that provide robust proof of performance for this natural and plant-based health solution.
Thank you. That's fascinating, and the whole the balance between prevention versus cure, etc. And it'd be very, very interesting indeed to see how that impacts the pharma and also the CDMO space going forward.
Exactly.
Diana, final question, and one very much linked to this very important theme around the kind of relationships between CDMO companies and the biotech and pharma companies. What advice would you give to pharma and biotech companies when partnering with a CDMO? What are some of the recurring problems that you've seen? What are the potential solutions? What would your general advice be to pharma and biotechs in this super important relationship?
Well, when partnering with a CDMO, what I would like to highlight is that it's very important for any company to ensure that their chosen partner has robust quality control system, flexible manufacturing capabilities, and a strong track record in regulatory compliance. A common challenge in such partnership is the lack of clear communication, especially in defining project scopes and timelines. To mitigate this, at Vitema, we prioritize establishing clear communication and maintaining open lines of communication throughout the project's duration. Additionally, choosing a CDMO that aligns with your company's values and shows a genuine passion for your product can significantly enhance the success of your projects. At Vitema, our team is deeply committed to going the extra mile to ensure that the products we manufacture not only reach the market, but do so in a way that maximizes patient benefit. This patient-centric approach to development and manufacturing is crucial and can dramatically influence the successful delivery of new products to the market. This is all from my side.
We're really talking there then about obviously not just a really great match in capabilities, but also culture and values and really being aligned on the long-term vision for the company.
Exactly.
Diana, it's been a real pleasure to talk with you today. Thank you for your time. And we obviously look forward very much to hearing more and to your involvement in CDMO Live on the 13th of June. Thank you again for your time today and talking with our listeners on the PharmaSource podcast. And thank you again for your support for CDMO Live.
Thank you very much and see you at the event.
Thank you.
Join us at CDMO Live on June the 13th. All you need to do to register is head to pharmasource.global/CDMO Live. We look forward to seeing you there.